Tesla, The Man Out of Time by Margaret Cheney. Tesla is the man who has no interest in women. People started taking notice of Tesla after Elon Musk named the car after him, Tesla. Nikola Tesla gave the world the first wireless radio system, beating Marconi by a couple of years, although Marconi would be given credit for radio. Nikola Tesla is one of the giants of science. Nikola Tesla came from Serbia to America. I like the famous quote of Tesla: if you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration. Nikola Tesla was famous due to his work on high frequency and high voltage research. Nikola Tesla was born between July 9th and 10th, 1856. Tesla found that he could visualize with such facility that he needed no model drawing or experiments, but he could picture them all as real in his mind. So it seems that Tesla was a visualizer. Once he understood exactly how an invention worked in his mind, he tended to lose interest, for there were always exciting new challenges just over the horizon. Every day I used to transport myself through the air to distant regions, but could not understand just how I managed to do it, he recalled. It appears that Tesla was a self-taught man. Faraday also with a self-taught man. But of course, it is one thing to create a significant invention and quite another to make people aware of it. Tesla had already begun to picture himself as rich and famous, a strong tribute to the power of imagination, since his paycheck barely sustained him. To be sure, at 28 he was already one of the world's great inventors, but not another soul knew it. Here is the quote: "Everybody steals in commerce and industry. I have stolen a lot myself, but I know how to steal. They don't know how to steal." Tesla met with Edison with a recommendation letter from his friend. In the letter, his friend wrote, "I know two great men, and Edison, you are one of them, and the other is this young man, Tesla." Edison replied, "That is some recommendation." Edison gave the work to Tesla and he thought he would finish in months, but Tesla finished within an hour. Edison replied and murmuring with himself, "That's a damn good man." Tesla's skills were quickly appreciated by Edison, who gave him almost complete freedom in working on the doings and operating problem of the shop. In Edison's view, Tesla was a poet of science. His ideas magnificent but utterly impractical. He warned the young engineer that he was making a mistake, and so it appeared for a time. Where Edison had failed to see the revolution ahead, or more likely had seen in it the death knell of his own direct current system of electrification. The Tesla Electric Company had founded with the specific goal of developing the alternating current system that the Tesla had conceived in the park in Budapest in 1882. Edison felt a flood of outrage when he first heard the news of Tesla's deal with Westinghouse for his alternating current system. The Westinghouse Company annual report of 1897 states that Tesla was paid $216,600 for outright purchase of his patents at this point to avoid the payment of royalties. By destroying the contract, Tesla not only relinquished his claim to millions of dollars in already earned royalties, but to all that would have accrued in the future.